Welcome to episode 7 of Crypto Insights. Today, we cover Israel's expedited digital shekel plans, a major court defeat for the SEC, a $3 million Bitcoin recovery, Hong Kong's regulatory moves, and the launch of crypto ETFs. Let's dive in. Alright, folks, buckle up because Israel is going full throttle on its central bank digital currency, the digital shekel. They're calling it the Digital Shekel Challenge, and let me tell you, they're not messing around. This thing is on the fast track, and it's looking like it might actually become a reality sooner than we think. Now, you might be thinking, Ben, why should I care about Israel's digital currency? Well, here's the thing. This isn't just some small-scale experiment. Israel is really pushing the boundaries here, and the decisions they make could have ripple effects throughout the entire global financial system. Just listen to what Shauli Rewan, the head honcho over at the Bank of Israel's Payments and Settlement Systems Department, had to say about it. We're not just looking to replicate cash in digital form. We want to create a platform for innovation, for new financial products and services that can benefit everyone. And he's not kidding. Imagine a world where payments are instant, secure, and almost free. That's the potential of a CBDC like the digital shekel. Plus, it could help reduce fraud, money laundering, and all sorts of financial shenanigans. But hold on. Because it gets even more interesting. Andrew Abir, the deputy governor of the Bank of Israel, chimed in with this bombshell. The digital shekel will be accessible to everyone, regardless of whether they have a bank account or not. Can you believe that? Financial inclusion on a whole new level. This could be a game changer for people who are currently excluded from the traditional banking system. Okay, folks, we've got some major news from the world of crypto regulation. The SEC just got served a big old plate of humble pie in their lawsuit against DebtBox. That's right, the judge sided with DebtBox, dismissing the SEC's case entirely. Now, I'm sure some of you are thinking, who's DebtBox, and why should I care? Well, my friends, this case was a big deal because it was seen as a test case for the SEC's authority over the crypto industry. The SEC was claiming that DebtBox was selling unregistered securities, but Judge Robert Shelby wasn't buying it. In his ruling, he basically said that the SEC was trying to fit a square peg into a round hole by applying outdated securities laws to the world of crypto. And you know what? He's got a point. The crypto industry is evolving at lightning speed, and the old rules just don't always apply. We need clear, concise regulations that make sense for this new asset class, not these vague interpretations of laws that were written before the internet even existed. DebtBox, of course, was ecstatic about the ruling. They took to Twitter to celebrate, posting, "We're thrilled with the court's decision. This is a victory for the entire crypto industry." Hold on to your hats, folks, because this story is straight out of a Hollywood movie. Joe Grand, the legendary hardware hacker who's been called everything from a white hat hacker to a real-life MacGyver, has done it again. This time, he's recovered a whopping $3 million in stolen Bitcoin. Now, for those of you who don't know, Joe Grand is a bit of a legend in the hacking world. He's been breaking into things since he was a teenager, but he's always used his powers for good. In fact, he's helped countless companies improve their security by finding and exploiting vulnerabilities. But this latest feat is next-level stuff. Grand was contacted by a company that had been the victim of a sophisticated Bitcoin theft. The thieves had made off with millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, and the company was desperate to get it back. Grand, being the tech wizard that he is, agreed to take on the challenge. He spent months analyzing the theft, tracing the flow of funds, and reverse engineering the hardware that was used to steal the Bitcoin. And guess what? He cracked the case wide open. Grand was able to recover the stolen Bitcoin and return it to its rightful owners. It was a truly remarkable display of technical prowess and good old-fashioned detective work. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get real interesting in the world of crypto regulation. Hong Kong, once hailed as a potential crypto haven, is cracking down on unregulated exchanges, and let me tell you, they're not messing around. The Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, Hong Kong's top financial watchdog, has been making surprise visits to crypto firms, demanding to see their licenses, and generally making it clear that the Wild West days of crypto are over. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Regulations are a good thing, right? And you're not wrong. In theory, regulations can help protect investors and ensure the stability of the market. But here's the catch. The SFC is playing hardball. They're demanding that all crypto exchanges operating in Hong Kong obtain licenses, and they're not making it easy. In fact, the licensing requirements are so stringent that several exchanges have already thrown in the towel, withdrawing their applications and hightailing it out of Hong Kong altogether. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of crypto just got a whole lot more interesting. Hong Kong, after cracking down on unregulated exchanges, has just flipped the script and launched its very own crypto ETFs. That's right, exchange-traded funds that track the price of everyone's favorite digital assets are now live and kicking in Hong Kong. Now, for those of you who haven't been following along at home, ETFs are like the gateway drug to the world of investing. They're basically baskets of assets, like stocks or bonds, that are traded on stock exchanges, making them super easy to buy and sell. And now, thanks to the forward-thinking folks at Harvest Global Investments and Hashkey Capital, we have crypto ETFs. This is a huge deal because it gives institutional investors, the big dogs with the deep pockets, a regulated and familiar way to get in on the crypto action. And let me tell you, the experts are predicting big things for these ETFs. Some are even saying that this could be the catalyst that propels Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to new all-time highs. That's it for episode 7 of Crypto Insights. From Israel's digital shekel to Hong Kong's regulatory crackdown and ETF launches, the crypto world is buzzing with activity. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth crypto insights.